Hello friends. Uh, there are the quick question for the how to install plugin extension in the VS Code. So there are requirement for the specific the Terraform plugin installation. So let's see how we can install the Terraform plugin in VS Code. So you can see this is the my Terraform code, and this is the main.tf file. You can see there is a it didn't identify any specific the uh, module or language, just because of we don't install the plugin. Okay, so while VS Code identify the something new, it will automatically highlight the this is something new which do you want to install or find the plugin for the same. So here we didn't recognize any specific plugin, so it will asking for the do you want to search with this .tf file with the marketplace. So let's continue with the searching the from the marketplace. So while you search, it will find the related plugin. So if you can see, there's a lots of plugin are available for the HashiCorp of Terraform. So you can see, so you can choose the based on your plugin. So I'm just taking the first one here from here. So you can find the plugin the information from here. So how many stars actual users given, the repository information and licensing information. You can see this is the plugin where is given the 5 star based on your requirement or your configuration, and you can use the any plugins from here. So let's install this one. Here you can find, see, this is the plugin overall user guide, how it works. You can see, so basically it's give the highlight how you can use the Terraform plugin here. So the plugin is installed. Post installation, if you go to the code base, it should automatically identify. I hope it will request for the reload. So plugin has been installed. Let's see. It's not asking for reload. Then let's reload our editor here. So once we reload the our editor, you can see, let me close this one. Okay, so now you can see it's identify the completely Terraform format here. You can see here, and it will basically color identify what is the details here on the syntax side. So you can use the different syntax over here. If you want to take an example, we can take here. Let's start here. So if I want to create the new resource here, so I'm just adding resource, so it will give the suggestion here. So what resource you want to, so I'm just AWS. AWS I want any instance, so or AMI, so it will give the here the help. So if you go for the instance, so it will just take, if you just type the name, it will automatically take the help here. Here you have to give the name, so whatever you want to give the name. So this I'm just giving the test. So same way you can pass your attribute here. So here there's a key name, it will identify. So you have to give the key name here. So this way you can use the your basically syntax help while coding with the VS Code. So this is basically example for how to take the plugin for the Terraform and how we can write the code using the Terraform. Thank you.